worse. Look. Look at that. How bad that is. Let's have a look. Oh, it's tight. Use my two hands on that one. Oh, yeah. Let's show you what's going on. So there we are. So now that's really bad, very bad. Look at that leg. Right, that's no good. And it will take up the play. So what you do, get a bit of tin like this, or a spray tin like that. You cut a strip out like this. Then the best way, if you try putting it on, it doesn't work. So then you put the insert in, bit in here, like that. That is it can catch somewhere. So if it's going to catch, it's best to put something down here to bend it over a bit. Just make sure. So, and another thing, just be careful. You see, there we are. So when it's on, that's not going to work. So is sometimes when you put it on, that pushes it out. So you need something over that, like a bolt like that, for stop it coming out. So that's what we need, and then push it on. Push them over. Don't know, can we see this? Yeah, so you can see it just about. So what I'm going to do is get it on, started. It's not always easy. Right, that's on now. Now I'm going to use this here to push it on to stop it coming out like that. Right, that's done. Now I'm going to put a washer on here. That's the right one here. Then the small one goes on here as well. Let's put that one on instead. So that goes on like this, yeah. Now we do it up. That's my socket here. So that goes on like this. Still wobbly, so let's go a bit further in. Now let's set it up now. There we are. Yeah, fine. Done. I have actually tried it on the garden mower. This one actually. It worked for a little while, but then what happens? The tin falls to bits. I was only doing this for demonstration, but I don't do that myself. Anyway, someone else does that on YouTube. Anyway, it's up to you what you want to do. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I can show you things. But my advice to do it properly is either get a new set of wheels put on here, or unless you've got some second-hand ones which is good, or do it that way. It's up to you. Do the job properly. That is not me. If I'm working on somebody's mower, that is not me at all. I won't do that. But if it's for your home use, to get over it, that's how you do it. Height adjusters, there's no wobble in there now. Look at that. This is the one what I showed you. There's no wobble. Look at that. I fixed it. Take it all apart again, fixed it up. You see, look, nothing at all. No play. But I tell you where the tin is. Tin is in here. That's a tin. If you haven't got any spare wheels, all you have to do is shim it about like this. But there is another way of doing this. So that's one of the ways of doing it. If you haven't got no wheels. If you want to put some tin, strong tin, what don't fall to bits if you can. I know a coat tin, this integrates in time, so only strong tin, but do what you can. If it's for yourself, do what you can, and that helps anyway. But make sure you put loads of oil and grease around there. That helps as well, copper grease. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. I did see someone on the YouTube video shimmed up the wheels in here, but you need a good tin for that. Coke can is a bit soft and it breaks up. If you get like a spray tin, it's a little bit stronger, and that would work for a while. So it's done. It's finished.